strawberry flower. These are real strawberry flowers. On a beautiful autumn day, in the garden that shines under the sun, the moon, and the stars, baby strawberry and mommy strawberry are picking flowers. If you bring these flowers to baby bumblebee, she will give you a pot of honey, says mommy strawberry. And could you get some rainbow water on the way home, please? Yes, Mom. Where's Daddy? Asks baby strawberry. He went to help Mr. Gum collect seeds for spring. Since he helped us gather our seeds, we should help him too. If we give those seeds to Mr. Worm, he will mix them nicely in the earth for us, says Mom. I see. See you later, Mom. See you later, love. Baby Bumblebee is our best friend. She was so happy with the flowers full of nectar that she gave baby Strawberry a pot of sweet, sweet honey. This is a real rainbow. Baby Strawberry looked around to find the rainbow water. She found it between the raindrops and sunshine. Daddy Strawberry went to meet Mr. Gum. Some called him Mr. Persimmon. Persimmon is this fruit, and they are quite common in Korea, Japan, and China. And its name is gum in Korean. And they met, Daddy Strawberry and Mr. Gum. And this is a traditional Korean thatched house. Can you hear the birds? They scooped out many seeds from the juicy fruits and left a few on the tree for the birds to enjoy. When the spring comes, they will sow the seeds to have more fruit trees. This is actually a plum because I didn't have any persimmons around the time in Ireland. So I asked my cousin who lives in Korea to take this picture for me. And this is the seed of a persimmon. And this is apple seed, and tomato, and tomato seeds are so tiny. And even tinier, strawberry flowers, strawberries, okay. And these are tiny seeds. Some people use toothpicks. And this gigantic one is avocado. Mr. Gum hung some of the persimmons under the roof to dry so that they could enjoy them throughout the winter. Mom, I'm home. Yum, can I have some strawberries, please? Of course, love. These beautiful red flowers are poppies. They usually come up late summer or early autumn. Mommy Strawberry and Baby Strawberry made flour pancakes. They mixed the flowers with flour. Oh, actually, the poppies, sometimes they come up around springtime too, depending on the weather. Again, first, they mix the flowers with flour. They add rainbow water in the mix They put flowers on top of the dough. They cook them on a pan with a drizzle of oil. Then they squeeze the pancakes down. These are pansies, and you can actually eat them. They dip them in the honey from baby bumblebee. Honey. Sweet. Baby Strawberry invited baby bumblebee so that they could enjoy the cakes together. The pancake is warm and sweet. That's probably the sound of tractor. After they enjoyed the pancake, baby Strawberry felt something ticklish on her back. Wow! She now had beautiful rainbow wings. And these wild strawberries. Baby Strawberry can fly anywhere in the garden, anywhere in the world. She can sprinkle seeds of all shapes and colors everywhere. Now she can meet more flower areas, more bees, and more baby fruits. Aria sounds like an Italian word, but aria means a fairy in Old Korean. And this is a crab apple tree, and she's mommy apple and baby apple. The end. 안녕 means goodbye and hello in Korean, like aloha. And Mr. Gam, mommy apple, baby apple, mommy strawberry, baby strawberry, daddy strawberry, and she was not in the story, but she is Granny Grapes, and she's baby ladybird or ladybug, and baby bumblebee. You cannot see the face, but this one is baby butterfly, and these are acorn sisters. And when you think it over, these are the names of the flowers: fuchsia, and a little hidden, calendula, and pansy. You can eat them. And another pansy here. It's scabiosa. It looks like a pink cushion when you look at them closely. So it's called pink cushion flower as well. And Verbena bonariensis. This one, it grows actually really tall, even taller than me. And dahlia or dahlia, it's a Mexican flower. And Irish concourse, and some call them chestnuts.